Hey guys, check it out. So, you got a lot of different controls here. This one, the color just kind of goes in switches. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out these little solar-powered globes. Say that 10 times really fast. Solar-powered glow globes 10 times fast. So let's go ahead and open up the box and show you guys what you get. I'm glad you guys are joining. I hope this video can help you guys see what you're getting. So this is it. That's all it is, guys. That's it. This is just what it looks like. I'm kidding, guys. We need to inflate them. So this looks like it's a 2-pack from what I gather. And you do inflate it. So it's kind of like inflating a inner tube. You got the little nozzle in there. You can blow it up by yourself or use the pump that they give you. Let's go ahead and just see how that works. Sometimes these pumps are slower. Yeah. We're going to blow it up ourselves, and that's just a personal preference. If, you know, secret method is if you squeeze the base of it, much faster. Now, again, you guys can use, they give this for a reason. I just like doing everything the hard way, I guess. Maybe to make it tighter, we'll probably do it this way. Just because as it gets tighter, it puts more pressure in your mouth of blowing it up. So this does work. Maybe we'll use this pump for the other one. We'll have to see. Alright. And then you just press it down in like that. So this is what it looks like, and you can hang them. So solar powered. Inside the box, they also do give you this. A little balloon. So that's pretty interesting. Cute little balloon that you can blow up for as a gift, I would assume. They do give you a remote control for changing the colors and all that fun stuff. Pull out the bottom plastic piece and you'll be good to go. Now, I assume these are all dead, and that's why. Oh, they give you actually a couple different balloon type things in here. So, couple balloons. So guys, it says give it out. Yeah, it says give it 8 to 10 hours in the sun. So it's not gonna, or it probably won't work right out of the box. It says once it's in the sun for a while, it will charge itself. And then it will automatically turn on and off once you have the button pressed. So once you have the button pressed and turned on, it comes on at night and off during the day. So we're going to go ahead and blow this one up, and then we're going to set it outside, and hopefully we'll jump right to the next clip. Hey guys, check it out. So you got a lot of different controls here. This one, the color just kind of goes in switches. You can change the settings on this. So as you guys can see here, you can change colors, turn it on and off. Pretty cool. So yeah, they're really nice, guys. They would look pretty cool setting out by a pool or something. That would be neat. So you kind of got to aim it at, you know, them, and press the colors twice or a couple times if you want to get them synced. Sometimes if you press it, you know, one stays another, press it again. So you can kind of dictate, you can kind of change the colors on each one. There's definitely plenty of settings. So pretty much aim your controller at one, or if you want both, try and aim at both. just play with it, guys. But yeah, cool.